Welcome to Rithi Magic. Hello குட்டீஸ், நம்ம ரைம்ஸ் கேட்போமா? வாங்க. 1, 2 back my shoe. 3, 4 shut the door. 5, 6 pick up the sticks. 7, 8 lay them straight. 9, 10 a big fat hen. 1, 2 back my shoe. 3, 4 shut the door. 5, 6 pick up the sticks. 7, 8 lay them straight. 9, 10 a big fat hen. 1, 2 back my shoe. 3, 4 shut the door. 5, 6 pick up the stick. 7, 8 lay them straight. 9, 10 a big fat hen. 1, 2 back my shoe. 3, 4 shut the door. 5, 6 pick up the stick. 7, 8 lay them straight. 9, 10 a big fat hen. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.